How to fix your permanently limited PayPal account. So if you want to fix your permanently limited PayPal account, then what you need to do is you just need simply first make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now, as you can see that I'm in my PayPal help center and I have an article which says how to remove a limitation from my account. So before you begin, a limited account means that you won't be able to do certain things with your PayPal account. For example, you might not be able to send or withdraw money. Usually, PayPal will ask you to complete some steps to remove your account limitation. You can go to your resolution center or you can click on the bell icon at the top of your dashboard for more info. If all these steps are completed and your account remains limited, it either means PayPal's already received your account and send you an email asking for more information, or PayPal is still reviewing the information you provided. If you're required to upload documents, review tips for submitting documents, which will be right here. The time it takes to resolve an account limitation depends on the complexity of your specific case. If you received an email stating your account is limited but don't see a limitation in the resolution center, you may have received a fake email forwarded to the email, which is right here, and PayPal will investigate it for you. After you forward the email, delete it from your inbox. If you clicked any links or downloaded any attachments, log into your account and view your payments. It's also a good idea to change your password. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.